Well, we have an active weather pattern heading our way, so let's dive into the details for you. Live Super Doppler 4 HD showing us a quiet scan, lots of sunshine, mild temperatures. Yes, some of us approached the 70-degree mark this afternoon, but if you look closely, a couple of scattered clouds starting to show up to our west, and we've got more clouds, and look at all the heavy rainfall developing with this area of low pressure now moving out of East Texas, diving down towards the Gulf Coast. Thunderstorms to the south of that low pressure, widespread heavy rain to the north, and even some heavy snow from Oklahoma into Arkansas and Missouri this afternoon because there's a lot of cold air behind this system as well. Let me show you how this plays out for us here over the next 24 hours with future radar. Clouds continue to build in as we go throughout this evening, but I think if you have any plans out on the town for your Sunday evening, things are looking okay, mainly dry, just those clouds increasing. Now, as we get, let's say, midnight and beyond, that's when I think we'll see those clouds thickening up and some of that potential rain beginning to develop. And I think after you get past midnight, rain will be likely across the area. Notice some pockets of moderate to heavy rainfall building in. This will be with us off and on throughout the overnight hours. So if you like to sleep with that rain falling down outside your window, yeah, tonight is going to be the night for you to do that. And then as you wake up tomorrow morning for that Monday morning commute, 7 a.m., we could have not only some rain, but some gusty showers moving through. And when I mean gusty showers, some gusty winds, along with some heavy rainfall, maybe a rumble or two of thunder will be possible. And then that front moves out of here. So by the afternoon, we get those northwesterly winds. We dry things out. We clear the skies out a little bit. It is also going to be breezy and turning colder. But for your Monday morning, we do have an impact day. Periods of heavy rainfall late tonight through Monday morning early. A couple of isolated rumbles of thunder. Many folks, especially north and west of I-85, will likely pick up 1 to 2 inches of rain. Now let's talk about the next system here, cold air damming. Have you heard that phrase before? I'm sure you have if you lived in the Carolinas for any length of time. Big dome high pressure, cold high pressure will be moving by from west to east to our north in the next couple of days, and by Tuesday afternoon, it's going to be in a position to where it begins to shift over towards the east coast. As it does so, it's going to tap into some very cold air into Canada, and so as that high pressure gets in position as we go into your Wednesday morning, we get that northeasterly flow down the backside of the mountains, and that pushes in a shallow layer of very cold air, and it gets trapped close to the surface. So you've got that cold air trapped at the surface here in the shallow layers, and then you start to add some moisture. So overnight Tuesday heading into Wednesday morning, we see that moisture building in from the south and west, and we'll have that potential of a cold rain. Even in the areas of pink, that's where you can see some freezing rain and some sleet. Notice that extends down towards the I-85 corridor here in the upstate and areas to the north and east as we get into your Wednesday morning. So again, watch out for a light glaze of ice possible. That's why you may be doing that little penguin wobble during that time frame Wednesday morning with that icy mix. Right now, not seeing much in the way of road problems or power issues, but stay tuned. This is a developing situation. We'll keep you updated. And I know a few of you have been asking, why freezing rain and not snow? Well, snow, you need a larger layer of colder air. With the warm air that we're going to have up above us, that means we're going to have a shallow layer of colder air with that wedge, and that's what leads to freezing rain as opposed to snow in this situation. Here's your 4-day plus impact day for tomorrow morning with that heavy rain, then breezing and clearing in the afternoon, and then we'll be watching Wednesday for that potential wintry mix across the area.